Let's talk briefly about vertical and horizontal lines. If there was a line that went through this point and was vertical, it would look like this. It would look like this. And what if we considered other points on this line besides just 3, 5? Would you know the coordinates of these points without me saying anything? You should know one of the two coordinates for every one of these points, because for every point we have to go 3 to the right, and then maybe we go up 1 or 4, or 3 to the right and maybe then down 2, or down 5, or down 9. Well, what we notice is for a vertical line, all of the x coordinates are exactly the same. Well, we've got some good news. The equation of this line is just x equals 3 because it always is. When you see an equation that's just the letter x equals a number, it will always be a vertical line. X equals 3 is here, and x equals -8 is this vertical line over here, 8 to the left, where every x coordinate is -8. Now you know about vertical lines. Guess what's true about horizontal lines? For example, consider this horizontal line. What would its equation be? Well, notice we are always moving the same direction up to get to the point. So for this point on the yellow line, 8 left and 5 up. For this point on the yellow line, 3 to the right and 5 up. In fact, whatever point we go to, we have to go 5 up. Even if we go 14 to the right, 5 up. 16 to the left, 5 up. And so the equation of this line is just y equals 5. So whenever you have a line's equation that's just the letter y equals some number, that will always be a horizontal line. And now you've had a nice little review of vertical lines whose equations are x equals, and horizontal lines whose equations are y equals some number. And of course, horizontal lines and vertical lines will always be perpendicular to each other.